Hello everyone! Let's learn how to create this kind of smoke portrait effect by using Photoshop. First, open your image in Photoshop. Now, go to Select, Subject. Create a mask on the subject. Right-click on this layer and click on Convert to Smart Object option. Create a solid color layer for the background. I will choose white here. Now, press Ctrl+T and adjust the size of the face as per your choice. Open the smoke image. The download link is in the description. Go to Select, Color Range. Here, keep the fuzziness from 100 to 105. Then hit OK. Drag the selection to the main subject panel. Adjust the smoke layer over the face of the subject such that it covers the complete face. Drag the smoke layer below the face layer, then create a mask on it. Now, right-click on the face layer and click on Select Pixel option. Pick any selection tool, then right-click and choose the Select Inverse option. Select the mask layer of the smoke mage and select the brush tool. Now start painting over the unwanted smoke in front of the face. Select the image layer and create a mask on it. Then go to Image, Adjustment, Invert. Select the brush tool and pick white color in the color picker. And start panting over the face that you want to be visible. Now create a levels adjustment layer and adjust the levels to create good contrast in the image. Create a vibrance layer and increase the vibrance to make the image more dramatic. And we are done. Let's see the final output. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.